So you're saying all this stuff is free? You could just keep all this?
You can take it if you want.
Holy cow! I'm sold. I'm sold.
You want to sleep on that mattress, knock yourself out.
And his brother Kevin.
Hey, Tony, how you doing? Great to meet you. I'm Ken.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you as well. It's my brother
I'll do left
Ken.
hand.
All right, that's okay. I take any hand.
Whatever you can get, right? It's pretty good.
So,
This house was actually on my cold lead list, and so I had text Tony, and Tony responded. He had tenants that were actually living in the house at the time that he was having a hard time having them get out because they weren't paying.
yeah.
And so because Tony just kept saying, I'm so done. I don't want to have to do this kind of work anymore. It's too much for me. I'm 67 years old. So
Wow.
I said, I will take that from you.
And so you made him an offer of how much?
I made him an offer of 77, and he told me 80. I said, okay.
80. And then what do you think you're going to be able to sell it for?
I believe that if I were to just fix up the upstairs, I'd be able to sell it for 150, which I'm sure I could do it for under 20 to get it fixed up to the way I need it to be. But I'm contemplating creating a downstairs apartment and an upstairs so that I have 2 apartments and renting it out to students down at Lecom.
Oh, wow. Now there's a house behind you with the for sale sign. Any idea what that just sold for?
That house went up for $249, and I believe it sold for $239.
So 150 is conservative.
Very. I always work conservatively. I want to be able to go, oh, bonus.
Amazing.